In this video, we're going to be doing the gaming test on the new Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have the bigger brother of the Galaxy A15 5G right here, the Galaxy A25 5G. This is about $100 more than the A15 5G. And this does offer a lot more than the Galaxy A15 5G. First and foremost, we have 6 gigabytes of RAM inside of here, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and instead of the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus, we actually have the Samsung Exynos in-house processor 1280. So the Exynos 1280 is inside of here. Going to be a much better processor. It was actually used in the Galaxy A53 5G, a mid-range phone from a couple years back. So nice to see that processor inside of here. We're also going to have stereo speakers on this device, and this should be a lot better at gaming. So we have a couple games right here we're going to go and test out and see how these run. But if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Let's go and check this out. Alright guys, so we have the multiplayer match loading up right here. As far as the graphical settings that we can expect on here, we are going to be set at medium, but we can put that to high, and we can also do max frame rate if we want to as well. But yeah, we have HD resources on here. Of course, the graphics are going to look better. Wow, give me a second guys. This speaker is so loud. Of course, the graphics are going to look a little bit better than the Galaxy A15 5G. But the stereo speakers as well is going to very much help your gaming experience. So if you guys are looking for the best gaming experience possible between the A15 5G and the A25, this will be the phone you want to get. Definitely worth spending an extra $100 more for the games to run better and for the speaker to sound much better as well. This sounds amazing. Definitely comparative to last year's Galaxy A54 as well. It's doing a really good job. Yeah. This game is obviously going to be able to play Call of Duty Mobile. I don't think that's a surprise to absolutely anybody. Let's go ahead and see how these kill streaks look as well. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Friendly predator missile. Boom. Got the double right there. Hunter-killer drone deployed. So of course, the Galaxy A25 5G will be able to play this effortlessly. Alright guys, so we have Genshin Impact loaded up right here, and as you guys can see, by default, it's going to be set to low on the Galaxy A25 5G. Compared to the Galaxy A15 5G, that's going to be set to lowest. So this is going to obviously be graphically better on here, and we can move it up to medium if we would like to as well. We're just going to keep it on the default and change the frame rate to 60 frames per second because that's what we tried on the A15 5G video. And just see how this runs. Obviously, Exynos 1280, this is going to be running much better than the Dimensity 6100 Plus. So, yeah, let's see how this goes. Graphics actually look pretty decent, and this does look like a smoother experience than the Galaxy A15 5G as well. So, if you guys want a better gaming experience and you don't mind paying $100 more, the Galaxy A25 5G is definitely the better bet for a better gaming experience, especially if it's the most important thing or one of the most important things about the phone to you. If you guys need decent processing power, this is going to be the phone that you're going to want to get. All right, y'all, we got a little fireball right here. Nice. Let's go and try out this bow real quick, see how this looks. Yeah, I can definitely notice straight away though that this runs better than the Galaxy A15 5G, as you guys know. Let's go ahead and change out our character. Nice. So yeah, this is how the Galaxy A25 5G runs Genshin Impact. This is definitely going to be much more playable than the Galaxy A15 5G, I can tell you that for sure. So if there's any gamers out there and you guys are deciding what phone you should get between both of those, this is definitely going to be the one that you should choose. Even though it's $100 more, this is definitely going to be much more worth it. Better processor, more RAM, and of course the stereo speakers on this device are going to make your gaming experience much better. But yeah, runs just fine. So yeah guys, that was our gaming experience on the Galaxy A25 5G, and for $299, obviously it's not the greatest in the world, but if you are one of those Samsung Knights or Samsung fans out there that only wants a Samsung device and you guys don't want to opt for something like the Pixel 7a, I think for $299 this definitely offers a decent gaming experience. I've also had no heating issues on this so far either, so definitely a decent processor in this device. If there's any updates on this device later on, of course in the full review we will let you know. But that was the gaming review or gaming test on the Galaxy A25 5G. If you guys are gamers out there and you guys are tied between getting the A15 and the A25 5G, opt for the A25 5G. You guys are gonna have a much better experience. But if you guys enjoy this video, please drop a like. Also hit the subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos just like this one. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day. Peace out, Tech Gang.